Alright, I found a lot of birds. I put the camera on a little bit early so I could actually get them all on camera. They haven't seen us to fly away yet. Okay, I'm hoping everybody caught that, but maybe they didn't. The sun's really messing up with my camera these days. It gets so bright. But it was five of them, and I'm not seeing any squirrels. I used to see a bunch of those. I'm not sure what happened. I don't know. Maybe the squirrels are hot or sleeping. I don't know. I couldn't tell you. We're gonna go and critter watching over here. All right, come on, Charm. Ugh. I'm not seeing anything back here, really. Not one thing. I guess it just bird watched today. Which they're nice too. That we're all God's creatures, so birds are good too. And I do love all the animals, even the snakes. They kind of scare me sometimes because they bite you, and some snake handlers tell me that they just let their snakes bite them from time to time, and I find this crazy. Oh my god, I think we found a squirrel. I think he went and hid from us too. It was there. I promise everyone. Alright. He's still looking over here. No, I've seen him. I guess it makes sense. At least they're out in the shade over here. So we're making our run around. Let's see if we see something besides birds. I'm hoping that cat made it to its owner. It was real fat. So I'm sure he did. He looked like he hadn't missed a meal in a while. Cats are very resilient, so they could take care of themselves. They're not like dogs. Dogs need somebody. That's why they run in packs.